Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A brief introduction to Autodesk Subassembly Composer. Introduction. Autodesk Subassembly Composer is an add-on program for AutoCAD Civil 3D that is used to create custom Civil 3D subassemblies. As you already know, Civil 3D provides many default, ready-to-use subassemblies that you can use to create typical section design drawings. These default subassemblies are designed to meet common standard drawings requirements, so general technical drawings can be completed faster and more efficiently using the standard library. However, in real technical modeling work, the required typical designs often need more specific geometry configurations based on individual project requirements. Therefore, besides using the default Civil 3D assemblies, you can also create your own custom subassemblies to produce typical section designs that are most suitable for your technical criteria. The specialized program used to create custom subassemblies with flexible logic control is SAC, Autodesk Subassembly Composer. Running Subassembly Composer. As a special add-on program, Autodesk Subassembly Composer is installed together with Civil 3D. SAC works independently and is not directly connected to Civil 3D. Therefore, to open and display SAC on your computer screen, you can run it separately without activating Civil 3D first. You can access this through the following standard navigation steps. From the Windows Start menu, select Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D. Choose the version that matches your Civil 3D version, Subassembly Composer, and click this. After following the steps, Subassembly Composer interface will appear on your computer screen. Requirement for learning SAC. Before starting a tutorial about creating subassembly using SAC, the basic requirements you need to understand are familiarity with AutoCAD and AutoCAD Civil 3D. You should already have work experience and be familiar with using AutoCAD and AutoCAD Civil 3D regularly. You should also have a good understanding of how Civil 3D manages surface, alignments, sample lines, profile, sections, typical designs, and corridors. Every element created in SAC is fully controlled by coordinates and numerical values. Before starting SAC, you should at least understand basic mathematics, which include these three main concepts. Basic algebra, used to create variable equations, calculate parameter values, and build conditional logic functions. Basic geometry, Cartesian coordinate systems, distances, and dimensional shapes of objects. And finally, basic trigonometry, used to calculate slopes, angles, and vertical or horizontal lines projection of an element. Understanding basic Microsoft Excel calculations. The ability to use Microsoft Excel is very important in subassembly design process inside SAC. In many cases, when creating a subassembly using SAC, we need calculation processes and mathematical checking for an assembly that is being created or has already been completed. Excel is very helpful as an initial calculation tool and as an independent checking tool. Using Excel, simple calculation from algebra, trigonometry formulas can be simulated first to make sure that the numerical formulas are consistent and produce correct values before they are applied. Consequences of ignoring mathematical rules. If a subassembly doesn't follow the correct mathematical rules, it can directly cause system failure, which is divided into two consequences. The first consequence is direct rejections by the computer systems. The component will show an error or fail to be executed in AutoCAD Civil 3D. The second consequence is much more critical conditions that must be carefully considered. The component may run successfully in Civil 3D, but produce incorrect data and values. In this scenario, the program doesn't detect any system error, so the visual component can still be displayed on your screens. However, because of incorrect mathematical formulas inside the component, the dimension values or output data become inaccurate. So, using incorrect output data in real engineering work can be very dangerous. It potential serious mistake in material volume calculation, bill of quantities, and can even lead to major problems during the physical construction process in the field.